Most people becoming rich is their ultimate dream, as having a significant amount of wealth opens up numerous opportunities in life. If you are rich, you can drive whatever car you want, travel to any part of the world, and you never have to take orders from your boss again. However, becoming rich is not easy, which is why just a small number of people ever accumulate enough money to live their dream lifestyle. When it comes to riches or doing well financially, there are five types of people who will never be rich. Not because it is not in their destiny, but because of certain habits, attitude, and character that they possess. So, in this video, we will be looking at the various habits and attitudes that people could possess that makes them unable to get rich. The idea of this video is to identify these habits and attitudes so that you can learn from it. Now let's get right into it. Number 1. People who have no vision. These are the people with no destination in their life. They don't know where they are going with their finances. They take anything that comes to them because they have no choice, and interestingly, if nothing comes to them, they remain the same way. These kind of people will never be rich because to be rich, you must have a vision. As a matter of fact, riches are a product of vision. You need a vision to achieve it in your life. So, if you truly want to be rich, you must have a vision for your life. Now, when I am talking about vision, I am talking about a financial vision where you will have long and short term goals and a specified time limit to achieve those goals. Number 2. People who are scared of failure. Failure is an outcome, not an end product. People who do not realize this fact will always be scared of failure. Hence, they will never break out of their comfort zones to try out new things. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Poor people see failure as an excuse not to try new experiences, even if they think that this experience may lead to a life of financial bliss. They will say that it's too risky, that no one has ever done it before, or that they are not sure if they have the skills to succeed. But in reality, they are just scared of how they will feel if they fail. But if you look at the people who have unimaginable wealth, you will notice a common trend. A lot of the world's richest people laughed in the face of failure and pursued their ideas. Take Jeff Bezos for example. Today's world's richest man held many high profile positions in major tech and investment companies in his 20s, but always felt like he was meant for something more. In fact, rich people see failure as part of the process towards becoming wealthy. As quoted by the author of the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default." Because of the fear of failure, poor people constantly make excuses not to try out new things or step out of their comfort zone. So, if you constantly find yourself giving reasons not to start that new project that you have always wanted to because you fear that you might fail, now is a good time to reconsider your choices because it could be the next step in achieving all your wildest financial goals that you have set for yourself. Number 3. People who are unwilling to take responsibility for their finances. One of the things you will notice among many people is that they always push the responsibility of their finances into the hands of others. Either they are blaming their lack of finances on the government or the companies that have refused to hire them, or they are blaming their friends or uncle who have refused to help them, and they do this with all the authority and a sense of entitlement, unknown to them that they are making a big mistake. Now, these kind of people can never be rich because the time that they are supposed to use in taking responsibility for their finances and looking for a permanent solution to their financial problems They use that time for blaming others. So you see why these people will never be rich? They have unknowingly thrown away all the possibilities of getting rich by seeing others as their key to get rich. It is true that when it comes to the journey of riches, you will need people around you who can support you. But the bitter truth is that until you stand up for yourself, you may never get the kind of help that will truly make you rich. Number 4. People who say business is not my thing. Over the years, I have came across lots and lot of people who find business a difficult thing to venture into. They tell you plainly that they are not interested in business because it is too difficult. They always believe that it is best to work in a firm because it is easy and you don't need to crack your brains to make it work. These kind of people will never be rich because they put aside that one thing that can make them very rich, which is business. It is true that business has its own downsides and risks, but the truth is that those who are not willing to take these risks cannot end up being rich. You have to understand that achieving true riches is not an overnight thing. You must put in the work and be diligent enough to see things happening. So, you see why people like this will never be rich, and you must avoid such attitude because it will bring you a kind of limitation that you may never be able to overcome. There is nothing wrong with working for a firm, but be flexible in your decisions and actions. If you have the opportunity to do the business, then go ahead and do so. As a matter of fact, it should be a part of your agenda in life because this is the one thing that opens up the door of the true riches for you. Of course, it will not be easy, but face it, because that is where the success lies. Number 5. People that quit too easily. To be focused and hardworking is one thing. To persevere, however, is an entirely different thing. Perseverance is persistence in doing something, despite of the difficulty or delay that you face in achieving the success. It is what keeps you going when you don't get the expected result that you have imagined for yourself. In the book The Dip, written by Seth Godin, he explains that whenever you take on a new project, there is a period of stagnant growth, which is where most people quit. Godin says, at the beginning, when you first start something, it is fun. Over the next few days and weeks, the rapid learning experience keeps you going. Whatever your new thing is, it's easy to stay engaged in it. And then comes the dip. The dip is the long slog between starting and the mastery. A long slog that's actually a shortcut because it gets you where you want to go faster than any other path. And as you have probably guessed, people who will never become rich lack the persistence and patience it takes to see something through until that something can grant them the financial rewards that they desire for themselves. Someone who exemplifies the trait of persistence is author Tim Ferriss, the writer of the ultra popular book The 4-Hour Week. Tim was rejected 25 times when submitting his book The 4-Hour Work Week for publication. But with constant effort, he got the book published and is now worth approximately around 100 million US dollars. Yes, you have heard me correct. It is 100 million US dollars. Sadly, persistence is not a trait that those who will never be rich possess. They are masters at giving up, and giving up is a permanent failure. In conclusion, if you want to be rich, then you need to get rid of these 5 habits. And if you currently possess any or all of them, then don't worry because each of them can be unlearned. To become rich, you must have a vision, accept failure as a part of the process, take responsibility of your finances, always be ready to start your own business, and finally, never ever quit until all of your wildest financial dreams are realized. If you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.